In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your Behance account. So start by heading over to behance.net. Then next is press the sign in button. Here you can see the create an account link, so click on it. Now if you don't have an Adobe ID, you can choose to sign up with email. So just add in your email address and also create a password. You can also create an account using these platforms. You can use your Google, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, Line, or your Kakao account. Lastly, verify your email if prompt. Then once done, head over and log in to your newly created Behance account. So that's how easy you can create an account, just adding the details being asked and proceed by pressing the create account button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!